I just catch you having fun?
I'm Surrender Renee. If you didn't know, now you know. Let's get into it. Today I am school shopping because school is starting back. Long time no see again because I gave you like a month, 2 months worth of no video. But for real, I'm really starting getting into that. But I'm school shopping. I cannot find pants anywhere. I mean, anywhere. I went into City Trends because they be having cheap school pants, and I don't need nothing because I'm graduating this year. I don't need nothing like, I just need like 3 school pants. I don't need nothing too much because of the fact that I'm not about to be in school much longer. But right now, oh, and my dad said Cash having the money and he'll send it to me because I don't got no money. I'm broke as a joke. Okay, but right now I'm about to go to shoe show. I don't know. I guess we're gonna try to find some inexpensive shoes in here because, guys, like I said, I'm broke as a joke. So, whew, I'm in shoe show. Coming in shoe show. I don't know if I'm gonna get shoes from here, but. Oh, nobody said hey to me or nothing. Well, hey to you too.
I don't even wear no Converse. That's just, oh, they got Nikes. I love me some Nike Air Forces, boy. I love me some Nike Air Forces. I don't know if I'm finding anything here. These Nike Air Forces is wet, boy. So, what was here? I mean, these ones alright. These okay. These okay. I just don't want it. It's okay. It's okay. It's not bad. Keep looking. I'm gonna chill drink. Oh boy, yeah, I keep seeing those red ones. But I'm not wearing red. Let's go with no. Very much not. I'll be back when I find something.
So I decided I'm not getting shoes from there because I'm gonna go to the outlets and get shoes. But guys, look what I'm gonna try. I don't like noodles now. I do not like noodles, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it right when I get to the house. But until then, I'm kind of hungry, you know, so I might go to the Subway. I might go to Subway. No, I'm gonna just wait till I get to, what's at the outlets to eat? Nothing. I'm gonna go to Subway right here. Make sure you buckle up, kids. Don't hit me, truck. I gotta sneeze. Girl, I was about to say your lips is real ashy, girl. You need to do something with that. Subway, Dollar Tree. Subway, Dollar Tree. Subway. At this point, just stop looking at it and go to Subway. Subway it is. Subway. Subway. Move, bird. If I bum rush you. Move. Move. Subway. It's hot as hell in here. Okay. Let's go. So I got my little turkey bacon sub. Now, see, I'm a little cheap. I'm a little cheap. So I'm about to go to Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, yeah. Oh, and don't worry about my hair. I'm gonna get a lace front and I'm gonna install it, middle part. I want it long too. I think I'm gonna make a wig. I think I'm gonna make it. But I'm going to Dollar Tree to get a drink because that's what cheap people do. So I got myself a Powerade a Power Water, Powerade, yeah, whatever. I got one of those with some Pop Rocks because sometimes I be getting a little sweet tooth and I love me some Pop.
I'm sorry, but do me just one favor. Back up, girl. Back up.
Rocks. I was thinking about getting mints because I love me some mints. Y'all so loud. Turn your trucks down. It's like, all right. So I'll be back when I get to the freaking. Outlets. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so I'm at the outlets, and the first thing I'm gonna look for first is pants before I look for shoes. I'm trying to find a store. I know I keep telling y'all I'm gonna be back, and I am gonna be back, duh. But let me find a store, please. Like, it's so hard finding pants. Just pants. Size 11. In junior. I got that. Y'all think Levi's have pants? So I went to American Eagle. Those things expensive though. Expensive. Just like hair. Damn. $59 for pants. But now I'm at Gap. And I'm thinking about just getting black pants. Plain black pants. High rise, these are short. I need regular. I don't want no short because then it's gonna be too short for my legs. Made me look like one of those people that be wearing them shorts. One of them people that be wearing them shorts. Bro, I'll just call y'all when I'll just come back when I get to the shoes. For now, I'm at the pen. Hey guys, I feel like I should just stay over here for a while. But so I got a pants. I said I'm gonna go get shoes tomorrow. Damn, I need to go to my car and my hair gonna get wet. And look at it already. Hold on, we about to walk to my car. Let's get wet. So I got pants from H&M. It was $19.90 some. I don't know where my car is located. Oh, I lost my car. Guys, we're about to go in the rain for a little bit. Let's get wet, I guess. Please don't let lightning strike me. Oh my gosh, my phone's getting wet. Please don't let lightning strike me. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't think y'all can see me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Only y'all knew what I was going through at the moment, but I was getting soaking wet. I done stepped in a puddle. My whole pants was wet. Like, oh my gosh. Like,
my feet. Oh my gosh. Oh lordy, boy. All right, guys. I think I'm going to go to 5 and below and find some 5 and below items because Serena Money don't have no money. So I'm gonna just go to 5 and below and get me some mechanical pencils. Probably a binder, probably a book bag if they have book bags. But you guys, do you see my hair? I'm gonna go to the hair store too and see what I can find there. Like, even though I'm not gonna buy nothing, I just want to see like what wigs, what lace front is. And then I'm headed to the house. So, I left Five Below. As y'all can see, I got me some. Cause I'm greedy. So I'm gonna try those Boosie. Noodles. And at CJ's house, they got these really spicy ones, really spicy ones that he want me to try. So I think I'm gonna do that. Try those little spicy ones. It is time. It is time. No shoot. This is getting annoying. It is time for that hair to be taken out. But I'll take it out Thursday. Take it out and wash it and comb it and I'll go let my mama braid it down. It's a joke. Hey girl, looking all up in my car like you know what it is. Look at my car. Put that makeup on. Who you about to go see, girl? Oh, this one closed. Look who I'm with. CJ, come here. Cause in the whole video I was talking about how much I miss you. Almost the whole video. CJ, it's okay. They can't smell you. They can't smell you. Well, you do smell like work. Even you got busy after you left. So I came downstairs to make the wrap snacks. I had to change my shirt and my pants because it was still wet from the rain. But I don't know how to make this, so I need to read. Do 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 do.
CJ, don't come in this camera. Move. Stop for the. Okay. Why you came downstairs like that? Alright. 3 minutes. It smells good. Now wait.
Okay, so I'm sitting down. I ain't tried it yet. Don't think I'm one of those people that's behind the scenes. I'm trying food just to make a fake emotion about it. Wait, I'm scared. CJ, come try this with me. Please? 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 Come on. You ain't even eating. Alright. I don't even like long noodles. No. I'm about to throw this away. I don't even want to try it. Alright. Oh, let me put some seasoning in it. How about that? It don't look.
No seasoning coming in?
It is seasoned in it, but it just look plain. Okay, we about to try it still. Okay. CJ, come here.
You supposed to be trying. How you put seasoning?
I'm not about to put seasoning in it. I'm gonna try it first. Alright.
It probably taste like trash.
Stop. I don't even. Let me turn this light on. Okay. All I taste is spice. It's spicy.
It's good.
It's alright. It just tastes like spice. I don't taste no salt, no nothing. Boosie. Boosie. That is not it. We need some salt or something at that. Let me spice this up a little bit.
I don't like noodles. You know, the juice usually be the best, so I should be the fool when you try to use. Alright. The only reason I can't taste the juice is because I got a fork. So, we're gonna try the juice. The juice, stop lying. The juice is plain. I don't got no taste to it. So, Funny Mike boosted this thing up a little too much. Because, no. I should have got the Master P one, if that's what it is. That's what it's called. I think that's what it's called. All it tastes is spice. CJ, try this.
Okay, so guys, here's the other one I'm trying. But that'll be on the next video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this little vlog that I did. And / test taste thing, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video, but we're gonna see when I put it up on the YouTube. But until then, please like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in to the next video.